We get a wide variety of learners from all over the valleys, different levels, different abilities, but I'd like to think that we cater for everybody who likes to develop their ability in sport. This is obviously one of our newest developments. It's a fantastic facility which is right on our doorstep. It allows not just our academies to come over, but this is where a lot of our lessons take place. It's fantastic to have the facility up to international standard. It's a good environment to be around.
Doing the sports course here at Coleg y Cymoedd just helped me progress as a player because we do a lot of strength and conditioning training. We get better as players, which gives us better future opportunities.
The reason I wanted to do sport here at Coleg y Cymoedd was just the football side of it, so training every day, the study side of it as well, anatomy and physiology, sports development, sports coaching, and there's Welsh back with the course as well. I used to play for Wales under 17s before I came to Coleg y Cymoedd, and now since I've started training every day, I've now moved up to under 19s playing for Wales. Coming into this college would be a really good first step to push players to play for Wales in 17s, 19s and also seniors.
Obviously, now coming winter, conditions are going to get a lot worse, but obviously we'll still be able to train because we have such a nice facility.
I'm really proud of a lot of the learners that have been through here over the years. The sports courses here at Coleg y Cymoedd are a great platform for our learners to get into employment in sport. We've had lots of fantastic success stories who naturally just go on into professions.